Hello everyone. In our first program, we saw how to print a message on screen. So if I wanted to print a single message, hello Anuj, I can write system.out.println. If I want to print multiple messages, then I will give multiple commands like this. And in double quote, I'll change the message. Hello Anuj, how are you? Then we can say bye, whatever. Okay. Now, in today's program, we will be looking at how to do addition of two numbers. Okay. So, for time being, I'm deleting these messages. Now, for doing addition of two numbers, first of all, we have to think about what is given to us. Secondly, what operation am I supposed to do? And third is what will be the result? Always remember, for each program in Java, you have to think in this manner only. What is the input, or what are the parameters available? What operation I will perform? And what output do I supposed to print, or am I supposed to print? Okay. So now I will need three numbers. So here we need to declare three variables A, B, C. Now in Java, there are different data types. What do you mean by data type? See, I'm not going in theoretical part right now, because whatever requires in programming, I'll deal with that right now. So data type. Data type means which kind of data you are supposed to store. For example, if I want to store 12, it is integer data type. Suppose I want to store 13.4, then I have to use double data type. If I want to store name Amit, then string data type will be required. In short, based on our content, container will be decided. Okay, for example, if I want to store pizza, can I store or can I keep pizza in bottle? No, of course not. In the same way, if I want to store juice, can I store it in a plate? No, of course not. In the same way here, depending on the content, container will be decided. Now here I am doing addition of two numbers, so I will need three variables a, b and c. In Java, there is a word int. When you write int, what will happen? Three location or three container will be created in the memory A, B, and C. And then I will give semicolon. Okay. Why semicolon? Because each statement in Java ends with semicolon. Now I will write A is equal to 11, B is equal to 34, next line, along with semicolon at each statement. Now I will write C is equal to A plus B. Always remember, in Java, C is equal to A plus B is not same, sorry, is not same as A plus B is equal to C. It is wrong. We cannot write this kind of statement in Java. Why? Because in Java or in any programming language, assignment is always from right to left. What does it mean? Value 11 is assigned to A. You cannot write like this, 11 is equal to A. It's not same as math. Okay. So again, if I want to perform the addition of A plus B and I have to store the result in C, how will we store? These value, addition value, A plus B will be stored in which variable? C variable. Now what's my job? Just to print it. What will I do? I will print it. How will I print? For printing anything on screen, the command is system.out.println. Very important to note down is, we have just performed the addition. Until and unless I'll print the result, nothing will be displayed on screen. Let's run and check. If I run this program, nothing will happen. Why? Why nothing happened? Because I didn't print anything. Now what will I write? I will write system dot out dot print ln, and I will write in double quote C because I want to print the value of C. There is a problem, guys, but let's find out which problem is. What is the problem? See what it is printing. It's printing C, but not the result. Why? Because as I mentioned earlier, whatever you put in this double quote will be printed as it is. So it won't print addition 45, but it will simply print C if you put it in double quote. Very important, very, you can say, remember this very easily. In double quote, you can write love story. What does it mean? Whatever you write in double quote will be printed as it is. So if I write here C, will be printed as it is. So what I have to do? I have to put it outside the double quote. Let's run this again. Now see, answer is coming 45. Now suppose if I wish to print the message addition of two numbers is, so we can do that. How? System, the addition is. Now again if I put C here, what will happen? What message will come? The addition is C. But I want C outside of the double quote. So in Java, to combine a message, remember what am I speaking? To combine the message with value. What is value here? 45 is my value here, which is stored in which variable? Variable C. So I have to write plus C. C will be outside the bracket, plus is used to join a message with value. So to join a message with a value, we have to write plus sign and the statement will end with semicolon. Very important. Some students do mistake. They write here plus C. No need, no need, guys. Why? Why there is no need? Because there is no message. We just simply printing value. So no need. But when there is a message, the addition is or the subtraction is, the multiplication is, and then you can write C here with the use of plus sign. Means a message can be joined or concatenated, combined with the value using plus sign. Let's run it again. I compile the program and I'll run. See, 45 is because of first SOP, first system.out.println message, and the second one is the addition is 45. Done. In the same way, you can try different programs for multiplication, subtraction, division, and so on. There is one problem with this program. What's the problem? This program is static program. Static program means what? It will always calculate addition of 11 and 34. It will always give me same answer. So will we purchase the calculator which is calculating only one equation or giving one solution? No, of course not. So what's the solution for this? We have to find out some method or some technique with which we can take inputs from keyboard. In my next video, we will be looking at how to take inputs from the user. Thank you.